Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering the headset off and removing any cable. This prevents shorts. Once done, take off the right ear cushion. Wedge a plastic pry tool into the seam and work around. You'll feel clips release. Then, remove the small Phillips screw behind the cushion and lift the plastic cup. Keep screws in a labeled tray so you know where they go. This immediate access step opens the unit for the battery. It's fast, low risk, and sets up the next stage. You now remove the old battery by first locating its connector on the PCB and carefully unplugging it with a fingernail or plastic tool. Do not pull the wires. Once disconnected, note adhesive pads or brackets holding the cell. Peel them back slowly and lift the battery free. Before inserting the replacement, confirm voltage and capacity match the label. Then seat the new cell in the same orientation, reconnect the plug, and route the cable exactly as the original, so the case will close cleanly. You finish by aligning the plastic cup and reinstalling the Phillips screw, then press the ear cushion back until all clips snap in place. Make sure no wires are pinched. Once assembled, charge the headset for at least 30 minutes and power on to confirm pairing and sound. If it doesn't power up, double-check the battery connector seating and that you didn't swap polarity. Those are the most common mistakes. If needed, reopen and reseat the connector, then test again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.